From the wild to the workshop, a material born of nature becomes a masterpiece of engineering. Today, we go inside the factory to see
The cellular structure is perfectly preserved.
Incredible! The scales show zero degradation after 50 years.
Before production begins, the engineering team presents today's build, a premium motorcycle helmet entirely wrapped in genuine snake leather.
Today, we'll be crafting our high-end XSL helmet.
Every shipment is fully documented and verified before entering the facility.
Suspension. All materials arrive in climate-controlled packaging to preserve texture and quality.
We track every crate from the moment it enters the building. Each one is scanned, logged, and displayed in real time, down to the vibration of the rollers.
Digital logging guarantees full traceability. Every crate, every scan, documented seamlessly throughout the entire production cycle.
This batch is selected for next-gen processing.
Keep the magnetic flux steady. We're approaching the sorting gate.
Fluctuation detected near the dorsal ridge. Compensating now.
Every roll is first placed on the inspection table, where detail and texture are meticulously examined.
Thickness and flexibility determine the leather's suitability for premium helmets. You want consistency across the scales and just the right give when it curves. This one hits the mark.
Every piece is graded for pattern clarity, color consistency, and structural integrity.
Special attention is given to the snakehead motifs, the hallmark of luxury.
Every roll is handled with precision. Careful attention ensures the premium snake leather reaches the next stage untouched, preserving its intricate patterns and natural beauty.
Each roll is logged in our digital tracking system for full traceability.
Inspection complete. Now it's ready for tanning and finishing.
Next, the leather enters the transformation process.
The transformation begins as raw snake leather enters the tanning chamber, where science meets craftsmanship.
A controlled transition from conventional processing to the Smart Labs precision systems.
Enel Precision ensures every scale remains intact and every pattern flawless.
The tanning solution penetrates every fiber, softening the leather while preserving natural texture and durability.
This step gives the leather its luxurious, flexible finish.
Controlled heat and humidity unlock the perfect suppleness.
ppm, the full steam is probably with only kingdoms. Careful heat and moisture balance locks in the leather's flexibility.
Material conditioning and sterilization for advanced treatments.
Every pattern is inspected for perfection before moving to shaping. The scan picks up every ridge, every scale. If there's a flaw, we catch it here.
Entry. Next Gen Lab.
Autonomous transfer to the Smart Processing Wing begins.
In 2050, AI precision ensures each helmet shell is mapped and optimized before any leather is applied.
Holographic guidance guarantees perfect pattern placement for every helmet.
Smart adhesives and real-time sensors ensure flawless bonding without human error. Every scale, every pattern is checked in real time by AI for perfection.
Future technology allows us to detect and correct imperfections before final finishing.
Now, perfectly wrapped helmets move to smart curing stations mounted, where precision, technology, and craftsmanship converge. The final transformation begins. The shells are ready to become extraordinary.
AI-assisted mapping ensures every curve is covered flawlessly with snake leather.
Robotic precision wraps the premium leather perfectly, creating seamless surfaces.
Advanced lasers ensure every pattern aligns and curves naturally.
AI verifies that every millimeter of the leather is perfectly positioned. High-tech polishing enhances natural color, texture, and luster.
Operators can tweak finish in real time, guided by futuristic interfaces.
Branding merges seamlessly with the natural patterns of the snake leather.
Advanced curing locks in flexibility, shine, and durability. Now, the helmet truly comes to life. Every detail vivid and futuristic. Final AI inspection confirms perfection from every angle. The final product dazzles, showcasing craftsmanship enhanced by futuristic technology. Every curve, every scale, perfectly visible in stunning detail. From raw snake leather to futuristic masterpiece, the ultimate motorcycle helmet is born.